About 65 million years ago, it was a time when the view of the Earth was completely different from today. There were no traces of humans far away, and there used to be some creatures on the Earth that have become just a story for us. From the depths to the heights of the sky, only these were spread everywhere, even on a continent full of dust like Antarctica. To put it plainly, they were the only ones who ruled the planet. But then one day, something happens that wipes out the name of more than 75 species of the Earth, including dinosaurs. And no creature weighing more than 25 kilograms is left alive. Scientists believe that about 240 million years ago, when dinosaurs came into existence, the Earth used to be very different from what it is today. We're connected, and there used to be only one big supercontinent, which is named as Pangaea. During this time, there was very little rain, due to which the Earth's climate was very dry. This time period is known as the Triassic period, and this was the period when dinosaurs started to appear on Earth. During the Triassic period, the dinosaurs that came to Earth were only up to 2 meters in size. But with the passage of time, many changes take place on the Earth, and the dinosaurs start to evolve slowly. About 201 million years ago, the climate suddenly changes, and Pangaea, the supercontinent, starts to break into separate pieces, due to which large cracks are formed on the Earth in which many volcanoes start to erupt, due to which large amount of carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide are released, and this causes global warming on the Earth. And when sulfur dioxide dust and other toxic gases enter the atmosphere, it completely blocks the sunlight. Seawater too. Due to these changes on the Earth, the climate of the Earth is changing rapidly, making it very difficult for the animals that used to survive at that time, and because of this, more than 80 land and marine species of the Earth became extinct. But the dinosaurs survived this mass extinction because the dinosaurs were creatures that could survive in a hot environment. To this event, the Jurassic extinction event marks the end of the Jurassic period, and a new period begins, which is known as the Jurassic period. The Jurassic period is also called the Golden Age of dinosaurs because the extinction event was over in this period, in which most of the dominant species on Earth were also lost. Evolution happens in such a way that the size of many dinosaurs becomes very large, so large that they are taller than many buildings of today. For example, this Titanosaurus, they weighed more than 15,000 kilograms and were about 15 meters high in size, flying in the same Jurassic period. Dinosaurs also emerged, Archaeopteryx, which looked like one of the first winged dinosaurs. Dinosaurs flourished all around, but by this time the Earth had undergone a major change as the Pangaea supercontinent broke into 2 smaller supercontinents named Laurasia or Gondwanaland. The Jurassic period lasted from 201 million to 145 million years ago. Walks and it's 2. The end ends and another new period begins, which is called the Cretaceous period. The Cretaceous period was the longest period in the era of dinosaurs, which lasted from 145 million years to 65 million years, i.e., 80 million years. Dinosaurs, big herbivorous dinosaurs, the fearsome carnivorous dinosaur Argentinosaurus, which weighed up to 77 tons, and the most famous dinosaur of today, the T-Rex, which was up to 40 feet long. It used to exist in this world in the same Cretaceous period. The jaw of the Tyrannosaurus was the most powerful in comparison to any other animal, which could crush anything in the blink of an eye. Besides, the largest flying dinosaur also existed in the Cretaceous period, which is known as the Quetzalcoatl. Its wingspan is 33 to 36 feet, and its height was up to 12 feet. Till this time, the 2 supercontinents, Laurasia or Gondwanaland, also started to break apart, and the continents were formed. It starts to look like today, that is, different continents were formed on the Earth and different types of dinosaurs were also present on each continent. There was an ideal environment. Besides, many flowering plants are also born in this period. Even grass started growing during this period, and before that, grass did not exist on the Earth. Dinosaurs ruled the Earth for more than 170 million years. The climate of the Earth was at the peak of dominance. The climate of the Earth was also in their favor. New dinosaur species were being born on the Earth. There were no other animal species to compete with them, so they were ruling the Earth very comfortably. To be clear, everything was going well on the Earth for the dinosaurs. It is like that the atmosphere on the Earth was like every day some dinosaurs were roaming here and there, and some were engaged in quenching their hunger, unaware that what's coming next? A large asteroid whose size was 10 to 15 kilometers comes flying towards the Earth. As soon as this asteroid enters the Earth's atmosphere, due to the atmospheric friction, it turns into a big fireball, which makes the sky so bright that even the dinosaurs appear transparent in front of it. The light in the sky was so bright that the dinosaurs could not see anything. But he was definitely able to feel the coming destruction. Then suddenly that asteroid collides with the Earth at a very high speed, due to which a huge explosion occurs. The speed of this asteroid was about 30 kilometers per second, which is 150 times faster than a jet airliner. The exact location of this asteroid impact is reported near Sula, Yucatan Peninsula, Mexico. And when this asteroid hit this place, here, but a crater 180 kilometers wide is formed. Its impact releases energy equal to 100 trillion tons of TNT, which is 1 billion times more than the atomic bombs dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. In this collision, so much heat is generated that the soil and stones present in the impact zone immediately melt and go hundreds of kilometers into the sky. Where this asteroid collides, in a radius of about 800 kilometers, the temperature reaches 600 degrees Celsius, so that the dinosaurs in that area are burnt to ashes. So now the soil and stones that had gone into the sky due to the impact of the asteroid started to fire. The balls rained down on the dinosaurs thousands of kilometers away. Due to these fireballs raining from the sky, the dinosaurs flying in the sky along with the land are also destroyed. In addition, the heat generated by the impact and the fireballs raining from the sky also cause fires in the forests thousands of kilometers away, which leads to worldwide forest fires. It is generated due to which very large earthquakes begin to occur in places. Apart from this, large tsunamis are also seen in the seas due to this impact, which is so powerful that it completely cleans the surrounding areas. The immediate effects after the impact of the asteroid were very dangerous. But there were still many dinosaurs left far away from the impact zone, whose lives were going to die in the long-term effects caused by this asteroid impact. Due to the impact, smoke everywhere in the atmosphere, and the dust spreads and surrounds the Earth in such a way that the sunlight is blocked from the whole Earth for the next 1 year, so that the temperature of the Earth starts to drop very fast, and a nuclear winter begins on the Earth. Now, due to the lack of sunlight, it becomes impossible for plants to carry out photosynthesis, so that the plants gradually die out. And when this happens, the dinosaurs and other animals that ate the plants have nothing left to eat, so they also start to die. Due to the impact, not only the land life but also the sea life is affected because of this impact. Due to this, many toxic gases are released in the atmosphere, due to which there is a lot of acidic rain on the Earth. And because of the acidic rain, the oceans, the water also becomes acidic, due to which many dinosaurs and other creatures living in the seas also die. According to scientists, the animals that survived this entire event were small, omnivorous animals such as mammals, turtles, lizards, and some birds can be kept alive in this disaster. Any four-legged creature whose weight was more than 25 kilograms could not survive this event, and because of just one asteroid, more than 75 species of the Earth, including dinosaurs, end. We'll definitely like and share more like this. Subscribe to the channel to watch interesting videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. That's all for today. See you in the next video.